Hello, welcome to Claudolls. What should I do if this happens when I buy second-hand dolls? The children play with it. So, how do I get this out of my doll? I'm going to put acne cream on my dolls, the base of my doll, for 2 days in the sun, and let's see what happens. I hope it works. She's all over the place, but in the body I can send the body, but the face is awful. So she'd have to stay in the sun. After 2 days in the sun with acne cream, I use this one, but you can go to any shop and buy whatever you want it. The important is that is for acne. And let's see the result. I'm going to put it under the water, wash it, and wish me luck. Automatic. And it worked. Well, you can see a little bit here. I have to put her for maybe a couple of days more, but everything, you see it? Everything is out. Amazing. Just this little bit, and here, and yeah, it's amazing. So now you know what you have to do when you have a marker on the head of your doll. In the body it's easy because you just line it, or you just send it to the body. But also in the body, 2 days ago, I put it cream again, acne cream, to take the rest of the paint, of the marker, and I'm going to wash it and see if it works. And yes, well, a little bit, but yeah, you see it? It's a little bit, but it's much better than she was. So, if you didn't know, this is a way to take paint of the face of your doll with acne cream